Hello, I'm Horu Sandman. In this channel, I'd like to introduce Japan's economy and general topics. Today, I'll explain Japan tightening chip gear export as US seeks to contain China. Japan said it will expand restriction of export of 23 type of leading-edge chip-making technology as the United States latched up effect to the limit China's access to key semiconductor know-how. About 10 Japanese companies, including leading gear maker Tokyo Electron, we would need to get license to ship a broader than expected array of the equipment used to transform silicon into chips, spanning green, disposing, annealing, lithograph, etching, and testing. Tokyo's move from follows months of lobbying the US to get Japan into it in a tightening shipment of semiconductor tools to China. Japan and the Netherlands have agreed in the principle to join the US, but have sought to chart a middle road between the two superpowers. Trade Minister Yasunori Nishimura says the move was not in coordination with the US and was not banned. These export controls apply to all regions and are not meant to target any one country, he told reporters on Friday. We will be looking at whether there is any danger of a military appropriation. However, countries that categorize Japan's most favored trading partners will be able to continue to exporting without license, Trade Minister officials said. Those nations include Taiwan and Singapore, key participants in the global semiconductor supply chain. Shipment of restricting equipment to China would require sign-off by export control officials. With the Netherlands, with the help of the Netherlands, Japan, the US is seeking to create a global blockade to prevent China from getting key equipment now essential to make the most advanced chip used to quantum computing, advanced wireless network, and artificial intelligence. Much hate on how Japan implements the controls. If Japan refuses to approve any, that would be blow both for the country's semiconductor equipment manufacturer as well as for China, Morningstar analyst Kazuno Ito said. Chip-related stock fell on the news, with Tokyo Electron reversing gain to trade down around 1.5%, with Screen Holding also fell. Nikon, Register Tech, and Advantest all part gain. Tokyo's measures, which will be subject to the public comment before the implementation set for the July, affected wide range of equipment, similar to US curve of the scope, etching match that are capable of making 14 and 16 nanometer and more advanced chip would be affected. For instance, if your exported are not being appreciated for the military use, we will continue to shipment, Nishimura told reporters. We believe the impact on company will be limited. The US, Netherlands, and Japan together control great equipment now necessary for China to make leading-edge chip. The US has banned American gear supplies applied materials, RAM Research, and KLA from shipping some of their most advanced technology to China. Japan's Tokyo Electron and Netherlands ASML Holdings are two other critical suppliers that US need to contain China's technological asset. Japan's branded export control includes a tool used to clean silicon waters for some impurities, extreme ultraviolet mask testers, as well as immersion lithography machines. Screen folding Resistor Tech and Nikon are supplier of chip equipment. Over the long term, China will be forced to develop its one chip making machine, said Tokyo Securities and Analyst Hideki Yasuda. Complete decoupling of the standards in chips would make it difficult for China to produce semiconductors at low cost. Beijing has said such restriction threatens the stability of the global supply chain and the national security justification are dubious. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, please thumbs up.